What is up guys? What is happening? How are you guys doing today? Me myself, I just got off work, so I could never be better. Yeah guys, I hope your day's going pretty good. Currently today's Friday, and it sucks because I'm supposed to have Saturday and Sunday off, but my boss just asked if I could work Saturday, so yeah, I'm giving up one of my days off. But I mean, hopefully I can use the extra bread to throw into this car like I said. But I just finished cleaning the car too. I didn't do like anything crazy, just like quick little wash. But so I just thought today it'd be kind of a chill video, more so like, you know, me hitting some back roads before I go home. So this is just me leaving work. We're gonna drive the Z and we're gonna see how it goes. But dang, she's looking clean. I actually just did the headlights, guys. I cleared them out. I didn't do any sanding, nothing serious, but they almost look brand new. It's crazy. They used to be like yellow. So yeah guys, well, that's already too much talking. Let's hop in the Z and let's get the heck out of here. So if you guys are new to the channel, this is my 2005 Nissan 350Z. It is a 35th anniversary edition, so it's kind of rare. Nissan only made this car 1 year. And I was lucky enough to find it in a 6-speed manual. I didn't even know this was a 35th edition until I went and you know, bought the car, and the guy, you know, told me and stuff. So he didn't even let me know, like, before I bought the car. Like, I found out when I bought it, so that's kind of cool. It's like a little plus, and the car has like some cool little add-ons and stuff, but it's not too different from the, you know, regular Z. It's just like a fully spec'd out DE rev up essentially. One thing I gotta get on replacing is this all my TPMS sensors, because this little TPMS light came on, and it's been on, and it's really annoying me. I used to have like a clear dash, no lights, and now it's just on, and like you can see it over here, it's like flashing. It's just kind of annoying me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the trigger and get 4 new ones and replace them all, so I don't have to see the stupid light. But hold it. Sheesh. We caught up to traffic already, guys. Damn. Let me open up this Gatorade. I'm parched. Gotta make sure to stay hydrated, guys. I know Gatorade's not the best thing to drink. It's probably water, but Gatorade just hits different when you're thirsty. So, update on the Z. I am gonna be dropping off the Z to my brother. He is a technician and he works at Toyota. It's just down the street from where I work. But essentially, we are going to be unbolting the muffler. Why am I going to be doing that, you guys ask? I'll tell you. So not only does it, you know, save a little bit of weight, that's always a plus. I'm just sick and tired of this car. It's so quiet and it's so stock, and I can't even hear like the engine, and it just, sometimes it's nice like on long drives and stuff, but just like when I'm in the, you know, around just the city and just cruising with my friends and stuff, I wish the car could be louder. And I do that a lot. I do that frequently. I go on cruises and stuff. I go to a lot of car meets. So yeah, we're gonna unbolt the muffler to get a little bit more sound out of the car. I do have test pipes, and I do plan on installing those. Like I said last video, I'm just trying to find a good shop to do it, so I know it's done correctly and done right the first time. But yeah, hopefully we can have the muffler unbolted. Today's Friday, so tomorrow, Saturday, hopefully we can have it unbolted then, and I can drop this video for you guys, and probably the following POV the muffler should be unbolted. Can this freaking light change already, dude? Guys, all I can taste right now is Chick-fil-A. I think I'm feeling Chick-fil-A, so I think that's the move. There's actually one down the street over here, so probably that's what we're gonna do. We made it. I don't know what I'm thinking though. I think I want like the chicken nuggets, but I might get a chicken sandwich. Let's see. Sheesh. Bags secured, boys. We got the lemonade, and I got the mac and cheese right here. It's fire. Got the Chick-fil-A sauce. We got the, check this out, guys. The Lord's chicken never looked so good. I'll let you guys know how it tastes. I wish I could share, but let me eat because I'm starving. Man, guys, that Chick-fil-A was bussin'. It was probably the best thing I've ever eaten in my entire life. That spicy chicken sandwich deluxe, that number 5, if you guys haven't tried it, I recommend it. It hits so different. The lemonade is fire too, guys. I don't eat Chick-fil-A a lot, but when I do, it's because I haven't ate all day. Dude, it freaking sucks. I was gonna go to a car show tomorrow, and I was gonna film it, and I was probably gonna make a little video out of it for you guys, but my boss, like last second I'm about to leave work, he's like, hey, we're one person short, do you mind coming in? And you know, like, he's my boss, I don't want to say no. Damn, their fucking car is so dirty, it's like black, and the car's white. I could never. There we go. Oh, fuck. Fucking Porsche. Imagine driving a 911, just a 6-speed, guys. I bet that car is like the 350Z, but like times 10 off crack and bath salts. Like, that car is like stupid. Just, it looks so good. It probably handles, and but I would still probably take a 370 over it. I'm not gonna lie, that Porsche is pretty sick. Pretty solid downshifts. Send it. We're gonna send it. Send it. Sheesh. Hopefully that wasn't a red light, but red light camera, but yeah guys. Oh, what the Mark III Supra? Damn. Yeah guys, this car absolutely bone stock, and I'm having like absolute blast driving the car. For a second I had to just be quiet, stop talking, and just enjoy the drive. So with all that said, peace out guys, be safe, be easy.